Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can adjust sound settings in Once Human. Are you playing Once Human and want to adjust the sound setting for music, volume, radio effects, or voice chats? If yes, then the first thing to do is to launch open the Once Human game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right corner. From the menu that appears on the screen, click on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, go ahead and click on the Audio button on the left-hand side corner. From this audio menu, you can go ahead and adjust your sound, your master volume, dialogue volume, music volume, and other options. In order to adjust the entire audio in the game, go ahead and drag the slider under master volume. You can then increase or decrease the volume depending upon your preferences by dragging the little slider left or right. This will control the overall game sound. Now, apart from that, you can also adjust your dialogue volume. Drag towards the left to decrease the dialogue volume and towards the right to increase it. The SFX volume will adjust the sound effects like footsteps, weapon fire, UI sounds, etc. Similarly, you can also turn on and off the music volume by dragging the slider. The radio volume slider will adjust radio audio separately from other sounds. You can go ahead and adjust any kind of sounds you want from the menu. Some players recommend to decrease the radio volume if it's too loud compared to other game audio. So this is where you easily adjust the sound settings in Once Human. After tweaking the sliders, you can head back to the home page of the game, and that's it. That is how you can easily adjust the sound effect in the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.